Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel.
Welcome to Raju Hotel. We have the best Indian food here.
Everyone who visited his hotel liked the food as it was very tasty. Raju also supplied food on bulk orders.
Look at this massive
One day,
order.
he got a big order
Let's get to
to
work,
cook
team.
dinner for a party.
I'm so
But unfortunately, he fell ill and was quite worried. He said to himself,
I am not feeling well. I can't even get out of bed. How can I cook for many people?
Raju did not want to lose the opportunity. He decided to cook, but suddenly he fainted. The recipe book saw this. Immediately, he talked to his friends. The recipe book said,
My dear friends, our Raju fell ill. He is on bed and is not able to cook food for the big party. I want to help Raju. Who will come with me now?
The pot came and said,
I am big enough to prepare rice for the party.
You are welcome. May I join you? I can grind the things that you need for cooking in minutes.
said the
You
mixer.
are welcome.
May I
A knife came and said,
I can slice and dice the vegetables. Get ready, my dear tomatoes, chilies, and onions.
You are welcome.
Finally, the stove came and said,
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, you are most welcome.
said the recipe book. Come on, friends, let's begin cooking, said the recipe book, and they prepared all dishes for the dinner.
Perfect! You are all doing amazing!
Raju woke up after a couple of hours and entered the kitchen. He was surprised. He said to himself,
I can't believe this! All the food for the party is ready!
Raju tasted the food and it was delicious. He realized it was done by the recipe book. He looked at the recipe book and said,
Who helped you in cooking this?
The recipe book pointed to the pot, the mixer, the knife and the stove. Raju thanked them all for preparing such a delicious dinner.
Thank you all for
Preparing such a delicious dinner. Another big order is ready to go. Raju Hotel is always at your service.